gonna be as pretty up here as it is at home? It's gonna be worth it?
It's a tough act to follow, but it's looking pretty good. Birch has a very yellow leaf, and the maples are more of a red, orange leaf. And the oak seems to be like a multi-colored look. So what do you think? Is this the right campsite for us? What are you doing?
So stupid. I really wish she did not have service.
She's trying to upload her photo to Instagram stories so that you guys can all see
Because you uploaded a
it.
story and I never post anything, so I'm trying.
Look at this beautiful spot that we're in. Let's take you on a tour to the point. Wait till these fall leaves render for you. I'm going to bring you up. Of course, the cell phone doesn't do it justice, but it's gorgeous out here. Little note, when you're sleeping with air mattresses against the fire, around the fire, do cover them up because sparks will quickly deflate an air mattress. I learned that the very first time I slept in a Tentipi by a fire. All of a sudden everything was great, all comfortable, and all of a sudden spark blew and my air mattress went a little soft. Now I cover it with a sheet, which also makes it more comfortable and quiet. And I put it inside my sleeping bag. This is gonna be great. We're gonna have a nice big fire in here tonight, keep us warm. It might just get below freezing tonight. This is our fireplace. Ooh, that's heavy. We don't want to burn right on the ground because there's roots and stuff, and that might cause the fire to get those roots lit up, and that fire could actually move underground and kill these trees. So we want to make sure we put our fire on top of a rock. That'll be perfect. Should we dig a little deeper? We got two good branches. This one here I can get. Put your head, darling. That's how you get the branches down that no one else can reach. When you're breaking up firewood for kindling, if you hear that nice crisp snap, it's good for wood. If you don't hear that and it just bends, just toss it to the side. You don't want it. should be what catches our flame. Let's find out. We got fire. So start with the small fuel source. Throw in some sticks. Little layer of birch bark. A few more sticks. We got a nice big flame. Dampen it down with our medium fuel source. And keep some small sticks and birch bark on hand in case it starts to go out. We should open up the chimney. Almost forgot the most important part. Hold on, give this a pull. Mental note, next time open the chimney. Can you help slide these up? I'm holding on to too many now. At least our fire is good. There we go. So what do you think, darling?
Amazing.
Roof open, door open. We're nice and cozy in here, hey?
This is so good.
This is the Tentipi.
And we're just about to cook dinner.
Put it up on the top burner for now. Potatoes. Oh, I didn't put the potatoes on. I think we should have enough firewood for the night. I got a mixture of oak that's kind of rotten and some really dry pine, so we're kind of mixing the two together. We got a few sparks, but overall we're getting some good heat and it's burning. Just straight up chilling in the teepee. It's cold outside, but it's warm in here. It's not that smoky either. Actually, it's not smoky at all. Are you hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Think it's ready to eat?
Almost.
Almost. What's that sound you hear? Oh yeah, that is
God, I thought that was rain.
steak and potatoes.
Oh my god. I literally thought that was rain.
The sound of the sizzling food?
Yeah. You zoned out.
I think it's done. Let's check it out. This is our steak. Let's take a look at it. Whew, it's definitely warm. There's another layer under here. Here comes the steak. Ooh, that's a T-bone steak,
Wow.
chopped up and baked over fire with whiskey maple barbecue sauce. Let's see. Mmm, so tender. People always overreact it on video, but it's really good. Okay, I'll wait for you, but it's ready. Here we go. The potatoes. Let's take a look at those. Oh, what can I say? That is a feast for two.
You excited?
I'm very excited. We have a strawberry rhubarb pie, my favorite. See, hot coal went on this wool blanket, and it didn't burn through. It's on there for a while.
Look at that.
Is it warm?
Mm-mm.
No?
No.
Really?
Really?
Our pie's on fire. Uh-oh, it's burnt. We were smashing this pie. It's so good. We're eating this pie pretty darn quick, aren't we?
Kind of. Like 4 bites and it's gone.
The fire hasn't changed at all. And we've got this far in the pie, so if that tells you anything.
More layers on my sleeping bag.
She is not going to be cold tonight.
My sweater.
How many layers are you wearing?
5.
Alright. I'm just wearing my onesie. It's so hot right now, I can't imagine putting on any more clothes. But it's going to get cold as soon as this fire goes out.
But you're gonna keep it going all night, right?
Yeah, that's why I got the firewood. I don't know about all night, but at least for a while.
Yes.
I think that's a great shot. The sun's peeking perfectly right on me. You want to try it with the other camera? With the zoom lens? I can feel it. You spotted a good angle. What? You spotted a good angle. Real beautiful color. Soak it in because our cameras can't capture that. Cameras can never do that justice.